Not posted yet, try again. Instagram Reels problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. If not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data because when you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, it takes time to upload your Reels. Next, launch the Play Store application on your device and then search for Instagram over here just to make sure you have an updated version of Instagram application. So here as you can see there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Instagram, then tap on app info. As you do that, you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then clear the cache and tap on OK again. Next, you can relaunch the Instagram application, and if that does not fix the issue, you can make a long press on power button and reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.